Hi, my name is Stephanie Fertig, and I manage the small business programs here at the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke. Developing a new application can be difficult. One of the resources NIH provides is our annual NIH SBIR STTR conference. This year the conference is going to be in Milwaukee, Wisconsin from November 7th to the 9th. This 3-day intensive conference offers tips on how to prepare a solid application, the different resources that are available to you, and one-on-one meetings with different program officers from across the NIH and CDC. This is a valuable conference, and in addition to those sessions and one-on-ones, our own Dr. Walter Korschatz will be giving the keynote address. The early bird registration ends September 28th. So I'd encourage you to register. See you in Milwaukee.